Happy morning, everyone, and welcome to day 14 of our magic book session.
Happy morning, Vandana.
Happy morning. So, who all made their dream list yesterday and also the vision board? And if you've already made your vision board and you felt like adding something to it, or you already had written your dream list, you rewrote your dream list, and you felt like, you felt like improving on the dream list, as in you felt that, or maybe you felt that some of the dreams you have achieved and you cut them and you rewrote your dreams. So, anybody has any sharings? I would want everybody to share today, whatever it was, please share. So when I wrote my dream list yesterday, when I rewrote it, so this was, I think, the fifth time that I rewrote it, and also, yeah. So most important part was that when I wrote, I saw that the dreams which there were two of my dreams which I got. So last time when I wrote, I three of my dreams I had got, so I cancelled them. This time there were two, but the most important thing what happened was what I felt was that what I had written separately out of those 10 top desire lists, I felt that some of them I could have clubbed it together. So I did that. So for example, there was a dream which I had written last time that um, thank you for an earning of rupees 5 lakh rupees a month. And and then when I felt that my first dream was that um, bring joy to millions of people through my work of yoga, graphology, and crystal healing. And then I clapped it with this and to earn rupees 5 lakh rupees a month. So that was my thing. So that was a real, a different perspective which came in front of me, that instead of writing it separately, I clubbed them together. And also, when I visualized each one with those three things which we had to ask to ourselves, that was really powerful. I mean, in fact, yesterday, for the first time, I could feel that power. It was really, really beautiful when you actually ask those three questions. Anybody remembers what to ask? We had to ask those three questions to ourselves after we have written the dream list, and then when we are rereading it, when we are reading it aloud, and then you are visualizing those three questions, what were they? You
How
can,
do I feel?
yeah.
Second is, who would you tell first? Third is, what would you do or react?
No, not react.
What would you do?
Yeah. Who would you tell first and how would you say?
How would you say?
Yeah, that was also so. Yeah, sometimes we miss the little things, and this is the advantage of doing it several times, repeating it, and also when you are reading it again and again, when you're understanding it again and again, each time there is a new understanding. That's what was my experience. So yeah. So anybody else? So Uma, you cancelled. Did you? Oh, you
No, I
said
have
you
to do
didn't
it.
write it in your dream list.
I
Okay.
have to. I didn't write it, but I have to do it. I have to prepare again the vision board, a part of it, and paste it over it.
Lovely, lovely.
Correction. I have to do it. Yeah, I
Yeah.
will do it.
And any new thoughts came about your vision board? You wanted to add something else? There was a
Yeah, I
depth
think
to
so.
it.
Mhm. I would improve on it, on my personal one. Maybe I'll add a good diet and exercise to, for my healthy, slim body. I maybe add some pictures.
Yeah. So this was a new thing, which new perspective, na, in your mind. You thought of something different, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is what happens, this is the advantage of doing it again and again. It's the day you think that I know everything, that's the end of your growth, your mental growth. So the moment you think that I don't know, so today also when we are reading the chapter, think that even though I have read this chapter, even though I've heard it previously, but still I don't know anything about the chapter. Just listen and read with an open mind, not only open mind but empty mind. So then all your past beliefs, when they dissolve, then there's room for new things to enter in. That's how life is. So as I always say, every time I read a chapter, every time I try to follow whatever I'm reading, I feel I'm doing it for the first time. And that's the beauty of it. So yes, everybody else, please share बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द रीडिंग. ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई है, विजन बोर्ड बनाया है या नहीं? हैव यू मेड इट? बिकॉज व्हेन वी
Yeah, hello ma'am, I'm Asya. I could make only till 8, like the 8 important ones.
Can you put on your video if possible, so that we all can see you?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, hi. Lovely.
I made only till 8, like.
So why you couldn't figure out all the 10?
No, it was a Sunday also, so I've let the 9, 10 blank, so when they come up then I'll put up.
No, it's always better to do it as soon as you can.
Okay.
So today after the session, because agar aap bologe, if you think that okay, I have to go from here to US, and you will feel okay, I have just I'll go through Dubai, and you are at Dubai and you are there and you think that how do I go the next step, how do I take, you're thinking there, it's like that. So there is a reason why top 10 desire list we have to select, we have been told to select. There's always a reason, there is a reason behind this. So let's see what the book tells us to do. Everything. You could, so there is a choice wherein you can visualize if you're not getting enough time and if you feel that it's not a concentrated practice, when you visualize all the 10 together. So you remember those 3 questions now, when you're visualizing those 3 questions you asked, they are really powerful. So do them also. And did you visualize your dreams after writing?
Yeah, I did that.
You wrote, so you did it now?
Yeah, I did it.
Lovely, lovely. And the vision board?
The vision board I have not made.
So you're intending to make when?
Yeah. Yes. I'll take out some pictures as when they come in mind, when I repeat them. So I'll make.
So give an intention. Today's chapter, you will understand that when you give an intention, then what happens? How things unfold in our lives beautifully. Sometimes we tend to give importance to the other things, or we tend to procrastinate. So you will be able to look into yourself. And the vision board is really important, because the moment you see your vision board, you remember your dreams.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you for sharing, and thank you, Uma, for sharing. Thank you so much. Yes, what about others?
Vanna ji, happy morning.
Happy morning.
Happy Women's Day to all lovely ladies.
Yes.
Thank you.
All of you.
Thank
Happy
you.
Women's Day.
Thank you, Veena ji.
वन्ना जी, मैंने एक कुछ लिखा है वुमेन्स डे के लिए, तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ?
Yes, sure.
वैसे तो मैं गुजराती में लिखती हूँ, पर आज मैंने हिंदी में ट्राई किया, तो शायद कुछ हो तो चला लेना.
हाँ, पर आप गुजराती में भी बोल सकते हैं. I'm sure everyone understands Gujarati.
Not one will understand Gujarati. Then you do the other Hindi version.
नहीं, अभी हिंदी में लिखा है तो मैं बोलती हूँ.
Okay.
एक वीडियो। हाँ। रोको ना कदमों को जब उठते हैं चूम लेते हैं आसमान, सोच को लेने दो उड़ान, हर सोच बना देती है नया जहां। पंख देखे तो देखो नाच आएगी पूरा आसमान, एक परिचय नहीं काफी, पात्र अनेक है निभाती। उम्र लगा नहीं सकी है विराम, सफलता ने देखा है तो सिर्फ काम। इसीलिए कहते हैं हमको बढ़ने दो, बढ़ जाएगा जहां सारा। शुक्रिया शुक्रिया शुक्रिया।
Wow. Can
थैंक
you
यू।
repeat the second line once? सोच का कुछ था. What was the
हाँ,
second?
सोच को लेने दो उड़ान, सोच अपनी सोच को
Yeah.
उड़ान लेने दो,
Hmm.
हर सोच बना देती है नया जहां।
Awesome. And today's chapter is about that only.
अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ
Thank
यू।
you, thank you. Awesome, awesome. आप तो एकदम amazing you write, huh, Hina ji? So you keep on writing such poems or whenever they come, you write?
नहीं, लिख लेती हूँ कभी कभी, जब अभी ये मैंने सुबह में ही लिखा, अभी लिखा।
Very nice.
थैंक यू।
Really enjoyed it.
वंदना जी, हैप्पी मॉर्निंग।
Happy morning.
कल मैंने ड्रीम लिस्ट मतलब जो मेरी अधूरी थी वो मैंने कल गार्डन में जाके बैठ के मॉर्निंग में अपने सेशन के बाद में गार्डन में मैं फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ में गया था। फिर वहां पे एक जगह पे बैठ के आधा घंटा बैठा और वहां पे पूरा लिस्ट मैंने कंप्लीट किया और वो ड्रीम लिस्ट कंप्लीटली मैंने लाउडली वहां पे मैंने बोला मेरे खुद के लिए। सो दैट इज सो हैप्पी।
And you really felt happy ना जब आप एकदम खुले आसमान के नीचे and yeah, that's it. बहुत बहुत अच्छा, आपने बहुत powerful sharing की अभी भरत जी, and I think so we all should try once, and I've actually tried when you say it loudly and under the beautiful sky and then the nature around you. बहुत it's a powerful thing. Yeah, or you could go close to a beach and say that would be really really good अगर आपको मौका मिले ऐसा कभी।
जी जी।
And तो आपने रीराइट की अपनी ड्रीम लिस्ट को?
यस।
Awesome, awesome. And वो 3 क्वेश्चंस आपने पूछे ना अपने आप को जब विजुअल?
जी।
Lovely, lovely. Thank you.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. And ये ड्रीम लिस्ट को आपको हर रोज पढ़ना है। Now you can just carry it with you. ऐसा नहीं कि बस कल ही किया था. Find different ways and different spaces. Like early morning is the best time if you can, and you'll see how your dreams will unfold. Like it will unfold very fast. जो speed पहले थी उससे और increase हो जाएगी.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, somebody is new. So I'll just yeah. So anybody else wants to share anything before we begin our chapter today? Yes. So Balaji, who's reading today?
Forum.
Okay. So is she there?
No, she is not there.
Okay, Namrata ji is there today. So you can who wants to read? Or Ishita, who wants to read? Just
Namrata. Namrata.
Yes.
नम्रता, आज आप पढ़ लो।
So Yes, so now let's see at the right side of the picture. So day 14 have a magical day. And if for those of you who haven't shared, I would invite all of you to share after the session. At least please share whatever, did you make, or you couldn't get time to make your dream list? You can write it on the chat. Or if did you get time to rewrite your dream list? Sometimes what happens, जब हम अपने ड्रीम लिस्ट को बहुत दिनों बाद देखते हैं, हमें रियलाइज ही नहीं होता है कि हमने जो लिखा है वो हमें मिल चुका है ऑलरेडी. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड टू मी yesterday, and before yesterday, I mean the previous dream list also, there were so many things which I had written, 3-4 of them, and they actually started, some started moving and some I already achieved it. So, but I didn't realize. So you have to be grateful now for whatever you have got, and then you can just cancel them and rewrite it. So yes, nobody wants to share now before we start the chapter. Okay, so let's look at the right side of the picture. What are we seeing is just a table clock. It looks like a small clock. It's an alarm clock. And let's see what else can we see on the right side. Anybody, just keep on shooting. Everybody, just tell me what all you can see. It's very simple. You can say. And then we are going to join the dots. Come on, come on. क्या दिख रहा है?
There are books
Yeah.
on the table.
So now you say what ये books पढ़े हैं, इसका मतलब क्या है? ये clock है, इसका मतलब क्या है? ये time दिखा रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या है? There is a meaning attached to everything. Now keep on saying what is the meaning you are interpreting. आपका interpretation क्या है? Just if you can try, you just try at least.
But time is very important for everything.
Lovely, lovely, yes.
अब हर एक नया पल कुछ नया मैजिकल लेके आएगा और हमारी लाइफ खुशियों से भर जाएगी.
Lovely, yes. Awesome. Very interesting. Yes. So how often do we say कि time ही नहीं मिला? आज संडे था इसलिए टाइम नहीं मिला, आज सैटरडे था इसलिए टाइम नहीं मिला, आज मंडे फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक बहुत सारे काम थे इसीलिए टाइम नहीं मिला. And we keep on saying कि टाइम नहीं मिला because हम टाइम को, as our belief is, our conditioning of the mind is such that we take time as linear. टाइम को हम ऐसे स्ट्रेट लाइन में देखते हैं, पर जैसे ही when we are into the world of magic, and if we can start seeing time as in straight line, जो horizontal linear scale में हम जब देखते थे, now let's see into the straight line, in the vertical line, and then we know that this is the time. अभी ये वो मोमेंट है जब मुझे ये काम करना है. जैसे ही thought आया, I'm doing it, because the universe doesn't like delays, it just likes action. So that's why ये खाली ये clock highlight हुआ है, this clock. And so now we know that whenever we say I don't have time, and believe me, the way this chapter is telling us today, अगर हम वैसा ही अपने day को define कर सकेंगे, then there will be, then you, by the end of the day, you'll see this, you will say that there's so much time, because next moment you haven't left that thing to the next moment. You have created motion there and there. जैसे ही कोई thought आई, feeling आई, you just started doing it, and that is what is the meaning of time. Tell me one thing, just 35 minutes back, it was 5:30. Now can anybody do anything that time which was 5:30, can you bring it back into your life? Today's 5:30, can you bring it back into your life? Yes, no? Please write it on the chat.
No.
No.
So then what is the lesson we are learning from this? Yes, what is the lesson we are learning from this? That you can't bring the time which has gone. So fill in the blank. So what can we do? What is the best can you do? क्या कर सकते हैं? Yes,
तो
everybody.
हमारे पास जो टाइम मिला है, जो प्रेजेंट में रह के हम हैप्पीली उसको एंजॉय कर सकते हैं.
Okay. And what else?
So utilize it when you get the right time, or it will be gone from your hands. It's like that.
Yes, to use it to the best possible way, to utilize it, that moment which you have got. And we can look into our lives. हम अपनी life में देख सकते हैं कि what do we do? So now whatever we have done, this today's chapter it's going to guide you that whatever your job profile is, whatever your activities are in the day, you will accomplish them the way you want it to be. अगर आप कोई कार्य नहीं कर पा रहे हैं because आपने वैसा नहीं चाहा था. So now we are learning a new thing that you are the creation, you are the creator of your day. You create your day. Every moment, every second of your day has been created by you, as in by your thoughts, by your feelings, by your actions. Yes? So now we can start reading the chapter. Yes, Namrata ji, are you there?
Yes.
Yes.
Intentions compressed into words unfold magical power. Deepak Chopra, B. 1946, medical doctor and writer.
यस सो अपने इरादों को शब्दों में घनीभूत किया जाता है तो जादुई शक्ति उत्पन्न होती है. And who has written this is written by Deepak Chopra, who is a medical doctor and writer. If you haven't read any books of him, there's this beautiful book written by him. Of course, there are many books, but this is Ageless Body, Timeless Mind. And it feels really good to find a name of Indian origin. It feels really good कि Indians ने भी इस book में contribution दिया है अपना. And it really feels nice. Every time I read this line, these lines are really powerful. And it's been written by an Indian person, and it feels really good. So, you feel proud of the Indian soil that yes, the Indian soil we all know has created so many famous personalities. And बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये पढ़ के. So intentions compressed into words enfold magical power. So magical power we all have seen and we all have felt at some point in our life कि जो जादुई शक्ति है वो हमारे वर्ड्स में, हमारे थॉट्स में, हमारे आइडियाज में होती है. जैसे ही हम कुछ सोचते हैं, बोलते हैं, सो हाउ डू यू पुट योर इंटेंशंस इनटू वर्ड्स, आइदर बाय सेइंग, मुंह से बोल के या फिर लिख के. That's the reason we are writing our top 10 blessings. I mean 10 blessings every day minimum. It could be more than that. And also we are writing our dream list. First day 0 se we wrote our dream list. Why? Because you are actually giving your intention to the universe. You are giving a command to the universe. So we can either say, so here we are saying also and we are writing also. Then the power becomes, it gets magnified. So intentions compressed into words enfold magical power. So I remember, this happened to me. So small examples I'm giving from our daily lives, क्योंकि हम उनसे connect जल्दी हो पाते हैं. So what happened was that it happened about 2 months back. In the month of Jan, this was there. So there was a get together of all my yoga family, including my teacher, and we didn't meet since last March. So March 20th was the last when we met, because after that the classes were not there and they started online. So then there was, a few of us decided that we all teachers will meet with our teacher. So we decided to meet in a open, it's a garden, it's a beautiful garden. So we decided to meet. And it was, so just, it was not exactly the garden, but just close to the garden, which there is an ashram. So we thought we'll meet there because there's open space and a lot of nature and greenery, and we'll meet there. So this place is about 1.5 hours. It sometimes might take 2 hours also from my place, depending upon the traffic. And the trains are not, they were not functioning that time. The local trains were not functioning. So then I was just, I was just talking to one of my friends, and what touched was, why I'm sharing is that what she said exactly fits in what we are discussing right now. So then I was just pondering, I was telling her that, this is the thing, and I feel that I won't be able to meet, but I really want to come. And then you know what she said? That just give an intention. She told me, Vandana, just give an intention, and you will just give an intention that I want to go, I want to meet, and I want to really, really want to meet my teacher and all my friends. And I want to be with them and enjoy with them. And that time it didn't strike me, but then after I put down the phone, and then the thought was, it makes sense. Let me give an intention, because ऐसा बहुत बार पहले भी हुआ था कि जब भी intention दिया, and it's a strong intention, not with a half heart, not half-heartedly intention. So I just gave an intention that yes, be whatso may be, I will go, I really want to go, and I will go, and something will happen that I will be able to go. Yeah, and there was one more thing, that somebody, my daughter was supposed to come from Baroda, and that it was falling on those days only. So that was also one of the reasons. Now, see what happened. The moment I gave the intention, the next day, the plans of my daughter coming on those days, on that date itself, got cancelled, and she said we'll be coming the next month. And just I just told in front of my husband that this plan has been made, and he said, I'm going to take you there. And it happened immediately, so I could see the results immediately. And then when the day came and we went there, and it was so beautiful and we enjoyed. So ऐसे बहुत सारे situations आते हैं हमारे life में, wherein we think of, अरे how will this happen if I go, how will that happen if I go, how will I go, 100 stories दिमाग में बन जाती है. So if you really, really want to achieve your dreams, if you really, really want to, become a successful person, if you really, really want to become, to have name and fame, if you really, really want to achieve what is your purpose of life, then start giving intentions and into powerful words that carry a lot of meaning. And you will notice that the path unfolds and you move forward, the path unfolds and you move forward. So automatically the path will start unfolding. And most beautiful, what we are doing in this book is that the universe is always there to read your thoughts and feelings, and it hears you, and it's there with you always. So universe says, your wish is my command. And then we actually get and achieve what we desire. So that's the reason the words, the power of the words are so powerful. कहते हैं ना, एक बार जो शब्द निकल गए वो वापस नहीं आ सकते हैं. बोलते हैं ना कि इसीलिए सोच के बोलो. जो एक बार तीर कमान से निकल गया तो उसे वापस नहीं डाल सकते हैं. तो शब्द जो बोलो वो सोच के बोलो, बिकॉज एवरी वर्ड हैज अ वाइब्रेशन. और जब इंटेंशन के साथ बोलते हैं, जब उसको माइंड के पावर से जब हम जोड़ देते हैं, then तो it becomes like it just happens, because it's just there. हमेशा जो भी चीज हम सोचते हैं, चाहे anything, any person, any human being on this earth thinks or feels, that thing is existing. ऐसे ही हमारी जो साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरीज ऐसे ही हुई है. एवरी फॉर किसी ने सोचा और वो चीज है एग्जिस्टिंग यूनिवर्स में, यूनिवर्सल पावर में, एंड दैट बिकम्स द ट्रूथ, दैट बिकम्स द लॉ. दैट इज हाउ लॉज आर फॉर्म. Okay, so there is that law of cause and effect. Uske karan, you know, the intentions, whatever you are giving into the universe, it enfolds, wo real ho jata hai aapki life mein because of the magical power. And what is that magical power? The power of, the power of,
Gratitude.
yes. So yes,
To,
please
s-
continue.
to see and experience the most magical day of your life, you can be grateful for your whole day before you leave it. To have a magical day, you simply think through your plans for the day and say the magic words, thank you, for each one going well. Before you have lived it, before you have lived it. It's the easiest thing to do. It only takes a few minutes, but the difference it can make in your life is incredible. Being grateful for your day beforehand creates a magical day through the law of attraction when you give thanks for the experiences in your day going well. You must receive back experiences going well.
So yes, this practice जो आज हम सीख रहे हैं कि you simply think your plans for the day and say the magic words thank you for each one going well before you have lived it. But what do? We live in our minds first. Stories पहले ही बन जाती कि वो शायद ऐसा बोलेगा, मैं आज उससे मिलने जा रही हूँ तो उसने मुझे लास्ट टाइम ऐसा बोला था, तो इस बार भी शायद ऐसा ही कुछ होगा. या मैं अगर आज मैं आई लेफ्ट होम एट 7:30 एंड yesterday I left home at the same time and I got late to office or I got late for a meeting, so today also that will happen. So then that happens. So if we have the power to do, if we have that power, why not use the power for something, some positive thing happening in our life? It takes only a few minutes, but so this chapter has the potential that whatever you, however you create your day, however you think, the day will be like that. You know, जैसे आप फील करोगे, जैसे आप सोचोगे, वो दिन वैसा ही बन जाएगा. And you know, every day makes a week, every week makes a month, every month makes a year, and every year makes all the years of your life. So like that, so every time let's think of the plans for the day, and before thinking that वो हो चुका है already, उसको अपने अपने इंटरनल माइंड में ऑलरेडी क्रिएट कर लिया है. You've created that movie in your internal mind, and then you will be surprised that yes, जो जो आपने सोचा था, जो जो टाइम पे आपने सोचा था, वो वैसा ही होता जा रहा है. Anybody felt like this who have attended the previous session? किसी को ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है? Anybody experienced this?
Yes, many times.
Lovely, lovely, awesome.
टाइम
So
के पहले
yes,
वो टाइम के पहले वो खत्म भी हो जाता है और फीलिंग वेरी गुड, जॉयफुल, हैप्पीनेस इज देयर.
amazing, so nice. Yeah. So all of us will try today, you know, after this session, you can just plan tomorrow, day after, every day, and it takes, you know, while, so it will tell us, the chapter will tell us how and when can we do it. Yes.
If you don't believe you have the power to affect the circumstances of your day, so dramatically think about a time when you woke up grumpy or in a bad mood. You went off into your day, and one thing after another went wrong until by the end of the day, you were explaining that you had a heck of a bad day, as though the bad day happened by accident. Well, the only reason you had a bad day was because you took your bad mood from the morning with you, and it was your bad mood that was the cause of one thing after another going wrong.
Yes, so अगर हम जिस अवस्था में उठते हैं, you know, चिड़चिड़ी अवस्था या you know irritable अवस्था में अगर हम उठते हैं, जैसे it all depends on the mental state, how we slept. So why, you know, we have been told to do the magic rock practice, and वो रात में लास्ट हम वही करके सोते हैं और वही करते करते सोते हैं, in fact. But still this para is telling us, so I was wondering yesterday that we are doing the magic rock practice from day 2. Day 2 we were told, day 3, day 0, day 1, day 2, second chapter we were told to do it. Uski baad bhi why this para is coming. So, maybe many of us are still doing the, even though we are doing the magic rock practice, uski baad bhi if our thoughts are something else. Supposing we had an argument with somebody, या किसी के साथ झगड़ा हो गया, या किसी के साथ higher voice में we spoke, और किसी के साथ complaining कर ली, even after doing the magic rock practice, या फिर सिर्फ mental complaining happened, होता है ना कितनी बार जब हम अपने पूरे दिन को जब हम अपने सामने लेके आते हैं, all the good things that happened during the day, sometimes something comes up, और फिर वो एक थॉट से दूसरे थॉट से तीसरे थॉट, एंड देन सडनली वी कैच आवरसेल्व्स, अरे क्या हो रहा है, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग, आई एम नॉट सपोज्ड टू डू दिस. सो ऐसा किसी के साथ होता है? यस, नो, और ओनली आई एम फीलिंग इट? एनीबडी फेल्ट कि ऐसे करते करते सडनली यू गो टू अ नेगेटिव थॉट एंड देन यू डोंट रियलाइज one negative thought after other, and then you have to really hold yourself and catch yourself and come back?
Yes.
Yes, it's happened.
So this is what this para is telling us, that the only reason you had a bad day, so when you sleep with that thought, then the next morning you will wake up with those thoughts. That's a possibility, could be possible, could be not, depends upon the power of your thought and the power of your feelings. Yeah, or maybe immediately after that you switched and you again went back to the old good memories, and then you thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. You say that thing and then you stay with that thing, or फिर आप सो जाते हो. So this para is actually, there's a hidden thing which is there, which tells us the magic of the magic rock practice जो हम करते हैं रात को. तो जब हम अच्छे मूड में जब हम सोते हैं, तो फिर then the morning is really really beautiful. You wake up with a different feeling, a happy feeling, a joyful feeling. And when we for people who so everyone is doing the magic rock practice, yes, no, everybody is
Yes.
doing, even the new people, are you doing
Yes.
the magic rock
Yes.
practice? Yeah, lovely. Those of you who are not been able to do, can you write no on the chat, abhi bhi, if you're not able to do, or you didn't find the magic rock for yourself? Okay, so everybody is doing. So then we know that when we are doing the magic rock practice, how are we waking up? Is there a difference in how we used to wake up earlier and now? So we saw in the Secret movie, everybody remembers when we saw the movie. For those of you who haven't seen, see it again. If you you remember that girl who wakes up with a grumpy mood, and the alarm clock, she's late for her office, and she's late to wake up, and then the alarm clock rings and she puts it off, and then she oversleeps, and then when she wakes up, she stubs her foot, and then she goes into the bathroom, the toothpaste is over, and so many things happen, and then the entire day goes like that. So this is what happens. So now what do we do? Yeah, so yeah, please continue.
Even waking up in a bad mood doesn't happen by accident, because it means that you went to sleep thinking negatively about something, perhaps without realizing it. It's the very reason why you are doing the magic rock practice last thing at night, to ensure that you go to sleep
You go to sleep thinking good thoughts.
thinking good thoughts. The magic
rock practice. The
magic rock practice at night, combined with count your blessings every morning, sets your good mood at night and in the morning, and they guarantee that you are feeling good before you go off into your day. To have a
Yes.
magical day, you need to feel good. I don't know of anything other than gratitude that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly.
So yeah, so you need to have a magical day. You need to feel good. Matlab, you remember the feeling chart. Need to feel good. Matlab, you start with you're above the line, and only way that Rhonda Byrne says is that I have tried, she has tried all the ways, but anything other than gratitude, shukrana, thankfulness, being in that state, that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. And many of us have experienced that, whatever we see, whatever we feel, however we feel, anybody is telling us something, we are grateful for every thought and feeling. Then we are actually every single moment we are in that joyful state, good mood. Good mood is a very generic term, but so how many of you have put the feeling chart all over your house? जगह जगह पे कहाँ किन किन लोगों ने लगाया है feeling chart को? Yes, no. लगाया है
No,
कि नहीं लगाया है
no,
प्रिंट
no.
आउट?
No, no.
नहीं लगाया है. If you can put the feeling chart, actually it's helping me a lot. That's why I'm telling you that घर में 3-4 जगह जहां भी आपको लगता है, it could be your kitchen, जहां आपको लगता है कि वहां आप ज्यादा रहते हो, उस जगह में आप ज्यादा घूमते हो या उस जगह को आप ज्यादा देखते हो. It could be your bedroom, your bathroom, your kitchen, your living room, it could be your office. Office, if you are if it's in front of your office table, just in front of your office table, you can put it. So, जहाँ जितनी जगह आप लगा सकते हो, it's a biofeedback for you कि every time you can check, okay, मैं किधर हूँ अभी, where, और अगर मैं इधर हूँ, तो how can I go above the line? If I'm below the line हूँ, तो भी where am I? Am I worried? I'm angry, I'm irritable, I'm feeling envious, I'm having the fear. So you immediately आप identify कर लेते हो, and then when you know what, how do you go above the line? By just feeling grateful. जो भी हुआ है उस समय, जो भी हो रहा है दिमाग में, जो भी thoughts आ रहे हैं, just be grateful for that. And gratitude is the only thing that guarantees to put you in a good mood almost instantly. ये तो हम experience करके ही देख सकते हैं, but the book is just telling us every moment, because whatever you are giving, you are getting it back. The law of attraction. Yes, please continue.
Whatever your plans are for the day today, whether it's traveling, a meeting, work project, lunch, exercise, dropping off, dry cleaning, playing a sport, going to the theater, meeting a friend, yoga, cleaning your house, going to school, or buying groceries. Turn today into a magical day by saying the magic words thank you for each plan going well before you leave it. If you are a person who writes daily list of you need to do, then you
list,
can
1 second. Daily list of things you need to do.
things you need to do. Then you can go through your daily list and be grateful for each one having gone well. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind or on paper, the most important thing is that you feel the result of each plan or activity was the best it could have been.
So
When
yes,
you
yeah. So whatever your plans are for the day, चाहे आप कहीं travel करने वाले हैं, and we do plan, but एकदम detail में we never plan. और अगर एक एक चीज अगर हम plan कर लेंगे, then you notice that whether it's a meeting को भी, how would you plan a meeting? You can just, before you're going for a meeting, you can just sit and visualize, close your eyes for a few seconds, or when you are on your way, or maybe before you actually leave for the meeting, you can just give 2-3 minutes to yourself. Just sit and visualize the entire thing कि आप रास्ते में जा रहे हो, आप कार में जा रहे हो, ड्राइव करके जा रहे हो, या however you are commuting, जो भी जैसे भी, you're walking or whatever, and then you're going to the office, you're meeting that person, either you're meeting in a cafe or anywhere, just create the whole picture. वो पूरी मूवी को पहले ही क्रिएट कर लीजिए कि आप ऐसे ऐसे बोल रहे हो उस पर्सन को, that person is telling you, and you will be amazed that the meeting goes exactly the way you have seen. Exactly the way you have seen. आपको कोई एक्सरसाइज, you want to exercise, you want to do your daily course, you want to play a sport, you want to go to a theater, You want to plan a holiday for you. You want to meet a friend. You want to do, so somebody shared, somebody wanted to meet a friend, and exactly the day, it happened that way, only the way she thought. So, are you there on the call who had shared? I don't remember the name. Someone had shared it actually. Okay, so meeting a friend, yoga, cleaning your house. ऐसा होता है ना कि we think of so many things, but the end of the day when we sit, अरे ये भी नहीं किया, ये भी नहीं किया, ये भी नहीं किया. So now we are getting an access to, we are getting an opportunity to plan our entire day, and how? By saying thank you first only, as if you've already done it. For each plan going well before you've lived it. हमने अपने दिमाग में पहले लिव किया है, उसके बाद में हम हमारे एक्सटर्नल वर्ल्ड में लिव कर रहे हैं. That is what this chapter is telling us, that every day, every moment you can create for yourself. Whether you do this magical practice in your mind, अगर आप mind में कर सकते हो, आपको लगता है आपको याद रहेगा, then do it that way. But my suggestion is that if you can write, it actually creates a difference, because handwriting, when we write, not again, I would suggest, I mean, if you are really tech savvy and you really want to write it on your phone, then it's fine. Otherwise, writing on the paper is really, really powerful, because handwriting, our fingers are connected to every nerve of our brain, and it's an idiomotor response wherein every word that we write, every alphabet is a thought coming from the subconscious mind. It directly comes from the subconscious mind. मतलब हमारे जो अवचेतन दिमाग में, जहाँ पे हमने सारी सारी चीजें स्टोर की है, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट फाइल्स में, जो भी हम लिखते हैं, जो भी हम प्लान करते हैं, जो एक अल्फाबेट होता है, हर एक अक्षर हमारे अवचेतन दिमाग से निकलता है. It comes directly from there. So when you write it, it actually carries more power. So that's the whole intention of writing it. If you can, I mean, if you feel कि नहीं बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है and I won't get time, then it's better to say it in your mind. So you can choose any of the ways, whichever you feel works the best for you. Please continue.
When you use gratitude ahead of time to have a magical day, it wipes out unexpected problems or difficulties before they happen. The more you use this magical practice, the better your days will become. And from the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life. The bumpy days smooth out, and instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your day, your days start to have a magical flow about them, and things seem to magically go your way with less effort, no worry, no stress, and far more joy.
Yes. So what is the advantage? What happens is, जब हम, so first we have so when actually, so if you remember those three things which we saw in the secret movie, you ask for something. What was the second thing? Anybody?
Believe,
And then
receive.
yes. So you ask, you believe, and you receive. आपने क्या किया है? आपकी intention जब आपने डाल दी universe में, you asked for it and you believe that it's going to happen. ऐसा नहीं कि let me see whether it happens or not. ऐसा तो आप सोचोगे नहीं ना. You believe that this, मैंने जैसा लिखा है वैसा ही होते जाएगा. And आपके actions, आपके movements, आप उसी तरह, it will start moving in that direction. And then you receive it. So these three things always remember. Why I'm mentioning it is for the new people who were not there, and you can just understand these three things: ask, believe, and receive. So this applies for everything in your life. And today's chapter just bring this into your mind कि आपने जब ask किया, क्या किया, किससे, when did you, I mean, you asked the universe because you created that movie in your mind. तो आप actually क्या कर रहे हो? You are giving those vibrations to the universe. And somehow, who is doing all this? Who is coordinating? Who's aligning everything? It's the universe. And it's making you move in that direction. So this is what happens, the smallest things to the important things, everything starts going well in your life, and nothing happens by coincidence. आपने उसे चाहा, आपने उसे सोचा, आपने उसे फील किया, that's the reason it happened in your life. So just be, be cautious, आप क्या सोच रहे हो, आप क्या फील कर रहे हो, because जो आपने सोच लिया, जो आपने define कर दिया अपने आपकी mind में, that you are going to receive. So instead of frustrating or troublesome things happening in your day starts to have a magical flow. And एक बार हुआ, दूसरी बार हुआ, तीसरी चीजें हुई, then you really start enjoying it, and you really have faith in yourself. And then what happens, चिंता नहीं होती है, worry नहीं होता है, and no stress, and there's only joy. So you're only above the line. You never go, maybe you might go below the line kabhi kuch, it's a human mind, na? So but then you know how to just go above the line, you know how to pick yourself up, and this is the beauty of today's chapter. Yes, please continue.
When I first began to use gratitude to have a magical day, I choose to give thanks ahead of time for the events in my day that I didn't enjoy doing very much. One of those things was going to the supermarket. At the beginning of the day, I said the magic words, "Thank you," for the easy and joyful trip to the supermarket. I had no idea how a trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful, but I felt as much gratitude for that outcome as I could. The result of gratitude's magical power was that I got a parking space right at the door. I then ran into two friends, one friend I hadn't seen for a long time, and we got together for the lunch after shopping. The second friend I ran into told me about an amazing and inexpensive house cleaner, which was something I had been dreaming of having. As I did my supermarket shopping, wherever I looked, what I needed was magically in front of my eyes. Everything was in stock on the shelves. One item after another was on special. And as I approached the checkout after doing my shopping in the record time, a new site opened and checked, and the checkout person signaled me to them. As the checkout person was putting my items through the register, out of the blue, she asked, "Do you need any batteries?" It was one item I had forgotten to buy. My trip to the supermarket was beyond easy and joyful. It was downright magical.
Yeah, so this her experience of the supermarket, Rhonda Byrne's experience of the supermarket, she really, she didn't find it quite an enjoyable thing to do. But see, there are few lines, which we need to decode, which says that, okay, so we'll come to those lines. But before that, so her trip was so she just what she did, she just gave an intention that her trip to the supermarket could be easy and joyful. And she felt very grateful, and she it feels like, she made a list. When we go to a market, we write down a list na ki ye cheez lani hai. So she must have made the list, because this line says that, the person who was putting my items through the register, out of the blue, she asked, "Do you need any batteries?" It was one of the item I had forgotten to buy, which means that she must have made a list of the things she wanted to buy, and she actually put it into motion as it went into the universe, because she gave an intention that my trip to the supermarket would be easy and joyful. So maybe, the supermarket must have been it's a long way it was from her house, and she would not earlier she would never used to get parking, and it so many things must be there which we can just assume. So but these lines, when they say that, it feels like, she must have gone through those hurdles, those obstacles. That's why she was not like, she didn't want to go to the supermarket. But then when she put an intention, she got a parking space right at the door, and she met few friends, and we all enjoy meeting friends whom we have not, surprises are always welcome. So suddenly, if you just meet some friend, some old friend, and you really really feel so good and beautiful, isn't it? So she met two of her friends, and then they had an amazing experiences. And then, one of them said about a house cleaner which she really wanted it, and everything was unfolding, everything was in its place. Why? Because she had given an intention. She had already lived that, that moment of hers. She'd already lived it in her mind. That's why everything was falling in its place. So yes.
It only takes a few minutes in the morning to use gratitude to have a magical day by giving thanks for the events in your day ahead of time. But this one practice alone will change the way your entire day unfolds.
So now what we have to do, we are reading that.
To have a magical day, when you wake up to the new day, either before you get out of bed or while you are showering or getting dressed, think about your plans for the day and give thanks for each one going brilliantly well. Make sure you do this magical practice at the beginning of your day and in one session. In your mind, work your way through the plans you have for the morning, afternoon, and evening until bedtime, which with each plan or event, say the magic words and imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you are immensely grateful because it did go brilliantly well.
Yes, so somebody is not muted. Can you please mute yourself, because I can hear the sound of utensils and some work happening. So please mute yourself. Thank you so much. So, what do? We wake up in the new day, either before you get out of bed, 5 minutes, जैसे भी, each one will have a different way of doing. All the options are there. You can just sit on the bed. आपने जो भी, we did that, whatever we see and we touch, we give gratitude. We have done that few minutes, and then you looked around, and then you can just shut your eyes and visualize what all you have to do. Now here it's again an intensive way of doing it, is that you can make plans for the morning, afternoon and evening, and then until bedtime. मतलब मोटा मोटा we know ना कि ये चीज हमें करना है, एंड देन उस बीच में हमें और नया क्या करना है उस डे में. जैसे कुछ चीजें होती है जो हम रोज ही करते, तो हमें लगेगा कि इसके लिए क्या प्लान करना है, बट डू थिंक ऑफ दोज थिंग्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज जब आप प्लान कर लोगे तो उसका you'll be able to do it more beautifully, and uska outcome will also be different. Just try it and do it once. So for things like you have to do your morning walk, you go for your walk, you have to come for this class session now, or you have to go to the kitchen to cook something, or you have to buy something, so सारी चीजों को आप ऐसे sometimes it's so beautiful कि एकदम टाइम के अनुसार भी अगर आप लिखते हो ना, so actually the thing happens at that time only, and you'll be surprised कि कैसे हो रहा है ये, how everything is falling at the same time, उतने ही time period में, and it all depends upon the way you have planned also, the way you have thought. Then if nothing happens, then don't blame anybody, because you have planned the day for yourself like that. Okay, so and most important is each plan or event, say the magic words. What are the magic words? Thank you. And imagine that you're saying the magic words at the end of the day, and you're immensely grateful because it did go brilliantly well. And you will notice that then there will be no grudges. Koi grudge, koi complaint kuch hoga hi nahi, because you have taken charge of your life. You have taken the control of your life, you yourself. It's nobody else, it's only you. Please continue.
You can use as many superlatives as you like to help you feel more grateful. Thank you for the incredibly successful meeting. Thank you for the amazing outcome with the phone call. Thank you for one of the best days ever at work. Thank you for the thrilling sports game. Thank you for the effortless and fun day of cleaning. Thank you for the great night out with our friends. Thank you for the relaxing day of travel. Thank you for the amazing energy from my exercise session. Thank you for the best family get together we have ever had.
Yeah, so
This
what is superlative? Superlative का क्या मतलब होता है? What does that mean? Anybody can write it on the chat or you can unmute yourself. What is the meaning of superlatives? Because that is really, really important. That increases your intensity of the feeling of that thing.
It is the
अपनी
last feeling. Good,
अपनी
better, best. At best is the superlative degree.
Sorry. Please repeat.
That is the best thing.
Acha,
It
best
is
thing.
like in English grammar, superlative degree. Good, better, best.
Huh. So yeah. Yes. So the best, you give an adjective to whatever. एक आप विशेषण लगा रहे हो
Yeah.
कि या सो वो
सबसे last.
हाँ
हाँ जो
सो जो भी
मतलब
आपने थैंक यू बोला फॉर वो एक सुपरलेटिव उधर होना जरूरी है. Okay, so
हाँ.
like examples, thank you for the incredibly successful meeting, thank you for the awesome meeting, thank you for the amazing meeting. So all these things if you add, then you really feel it na, you're feeling, the level of your feeling increases.
increase.
That is very important. ऐसा नहीं कि बस thank you for the meeting, thank you for the amazing, thank you for the outcome of the phone call, or thank you for the food that I cook. ऐसा नहीं, just you have to add something, आपको एक विशेषण देना है, आपको एक adjective देना है, आपको एक superlative देना है. That really makes a difference and that really brings the movement faster. जो एक्शन, जो बॉल जो रोल होनी शुरू हुई है वो और स्पीड से रोल होने लग जाती है, बिकॉज यू फीलिंग इट ना. एंड दिस वी नो दैट दिस वर्ल्ड इज ऑल अबाउट, वर्ल्ड इज, wow, who is unmuted? Can you please mute yourself?
like to imagine word for happiness. कुछ
Yeah.
हाँ ना, कुछ भी अपनी काम में सक्सेस लाने के लिए, हैप्पीनेस लाने के लिए कुछ भी हम वर्ड उसके आगे यूज कर ले.
हाँ
वही
जी,
ना.
हाँ जी, वही. तो वो जितना आप जितने पावर के साथ यूज करोगे, 1 2 3 जितने भी आप यूज कर सकते हो, तो दैट इज व्हाट क्रिएट्स अ शिफ्ट इन योर एनर्जी, जो आपने बोला अभी.
हाँ, मैंने आज सुबह में वही कि मैं मुझे प्राउड हुआ कि मैं वुमन हूँ. आज सुबह में मुझे तो आज वुमेन्स डे, तो मुझे प्राउड हुआ कि मैं एक वुमन हूँ. तो मेरे माइंड में ये सब थॉट्स आए तो मैंने लिख दिए. तो मैंने आज सुबह ही फील किया. सबसे पहले मेरे माइंड में यही थॉट आया था, मैं वुमन हूँ. मुझे प्राउड था मेरे आप खुद पे.
हाँ, सो देन इधर आप क्या सुपरलेटिव डालोगे? आई एम अ प्राउड वुमेन, आई एम अ पावरफुल वुमेन.
वुमन.
तो ये पावरफुल और प्राउड इज अ सुपरलेटिव. ओके, तो आप, हाँ, पर आपने ऐसा सोचा एंड इट्स नाइस दैट यू थॉट लाइक दैट, और फिर आपने वो वैसे ही यू फेल्ट इट एंड यू इमीडिएटली स्टार्टेड, उसके बाद में ही यू रोट द पोएम.
या
Yes. So yes. Thank you for this. So these are some examples which we can, which we read just now. And so all of you look in your lives whenever you are writing those, whenever you are, thinking of the entire day, जब आप वो magical day create करना चाह रहे हो, so be careful that write these superlatives. ये सब आपको adjectives, ये जो आपके thoughts के, आपके intense, मतलब आपके जो डे को और intensively you will be able to unfold. These are the words that will help you to do so. Yes, because they are, every word carries certain vibration and it increases your feelings for that work. Yes, please continue.
This magical practice is more powerful if you can say the magic words thank you out loud for each experience. But if you are not in a position to say them out loud, then it is fine to say them in your mind. After you have finished using gratitude's magical power for every task and event in your day, end the practice by saying, and thank you for the great news coming to me today.
This is really, 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 really powerful. I am experiencing this since past 20 days. Before that, I never used to write this line. So when I'm writing, I count my blessings every day, those 10 blessings in the morning. After writing them, I always write this, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. So when I started writing since a month back, I started writing this. So पहले तो मैं ऐसे it's just mechanically I used to write and I used to read and बस हो गया. Then I had that firm conviction, एक faith आ गया था, and I used to tell to myself कि आज तो चाहे कुछ भी हो, कुछ great news आएगी मेरी life में. And believe me, every day since last 10 days, every single day I am receiving some good news. So मैंने प्रैक्टिस कब शुरू की थी? 1 महीना पहले. पर मेरा फीलिंग कब स्ट्रांग हुआ? ये लास्ट 10 डेज में. बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाई. यू हैव टू सी फॉर योरसेल्व्स कि हम बोलते हैं, हम समझ लेते हैं, लेकिन वो फीलिंग्स जब नहीं आती है, जब वो फीलिंग्स उस लेवल तक आती है, तब मतलब when you start manifesting things and you have that firm belief कि हाँ अब तो चाहे कुछ भी हो, I will get, whether it's a phone call, whether it's a message, whether somebody comes in, whether in the area of money, in the area of relationship, in the area of health, एनीथिंग. आपने कोई टेस्टिंग कराई है एंड आपको रिपोर्ट्स बिल्कुल अच्छी बराबर आई है एंड देयर इज नथिंग एंड समबडी कॉल्स यू, आपने जो मैजिक चेक लिखा है वो चेक आपको कोई फोन करता है कि somebody is transferring it into your bank account. So many things happen, so many things happen, endless things will happen. So just write, from today onwards, just write when you write your 10 blessings and see what happens and feel ki ha, something definitely is going to happen, and it's happening because we know na something wonderful is always on the verge of happening. Her moment, her second, something is happening. For whom? For you, to create a shift in your life. Only if you write it with that belief, with that conviction, that faith. वो faith आना बहुत जरूरी है, and that faith comes with gratitude. Okay, so these words are really powerful. Thank you for the great news coming to me today. Yes, please continue.
Without fail, every single morning when I finish using gratitude to have a magical day, I give thanks for the great news coming to me that day. As a result, I have never received so much great news in my entire life. 1 week after another, 1 day after another, great news pours in. Each time I receive another piece of great news, I am especially grateful and excited because I know I use gratitude's magical power to bring it, and then even more great news continues to come in. If you want to receive more great news than you ever have before, then just follow in my footsteps.
Yes, so she is really, really promising that whatever has been told in the chapter, I have followed that path, and not only I, but many, many others have walked on this path, और सबको कुछ न कुछ नया महसूस हुआ है. They have felt something new, they have experienced something wonderful. So why not all of us, let's start doing this from today. Just make your day magical, and the day is magical. We just have to experience it. It's always magical. Every day is magical, every moment is magical, every second is magical. So how do we make it more magical? अगर किसी को अभी लग रहा है कि I'm not experiencing that magic, which means it could be any area of your life, which means कि उस area में आपके gratitude के power को आपको increase करने की जरूरत है. It could be money, it could be health, it could be relationship, it could be your career, anything. वो खाली आपको यूनिवर्स कह रहा है कि आप अपने ग्रैटिट्यूड को उस एरिया में इंक्रीज कर दीजिए. Then you know that you will receive more great news than ever you have received before. The world outside is same, the people around you is same. Only thing what shifts is you are shifting your consciousness. How? By the power of gratitude, by the power of thankfulness शुक्राना देके, and feeling is really, really important. Yes, please read the magic practice number 14.
Magic practice number 14. Have a magical day. Number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Number 2. In the morning, walk your way in your mind through the plans you have for the day and evening until bedtime. With each plan or event, say the magic words thank you for it having gone well. Imagine that you are saying thank you at the end of the day and you are immensely grateful because it went perfectly. Number 3, after you have finished being grateful for all
Of all the
For-
plans in your
for
day.
all the plans in your day going brilliantly well. End this magical practice by saying and thank you for the great news coming to me today. Number 4, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Yeah, so congratulations. We have completed 2 weeks today, and now we are all ready to go into the third week of our magic book journey. And we just don't remember these lines are really, really powerful. This line, and thank you for the great news coming to me today. So you can, even during the day, keep on saying this because the more and more you say, the more and more you tune into the vibrations of these powerful words. वो feeling की intensity और increase होती जाती है, and then and just by hearing it and just by saying it, आपके आपके thoughts में, आपके feelings में, आपके actions में there will be a change. It will your entire energy will shift to a different space. एक बार आप करके देखो. Just say it right now. And thank you for the great news coming to me today. And thank you for the great news coming to me today. Make it like a mantra, and you notice that so many great news will come to you in that one single day. And it's really, really magical. Yes. So everybody has understood the assignment, what you need to do. Yes, no.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Lovely, lovely. So yes, this Meg Shah has joined today. So if I've given you my number, if you can call me today, I'll just update you with all the things, and you can watch the recordings. I'll add you to the Telegram group. You can send me a hi, and then we can just talk, and I can tell you how to go about it. Yes? Are you there?
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, so can you put your video on once? Can we see you? Can't see you. 1 minute. Yeah. Your video is on? Sorry? Yeah, okay, okay. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am, I will call you today.
Yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you so much. Okay. And so can we do a visualization for 10 minutes? Is everybody okay with it? Or you need to end the session? Say yes, no. Can we do a visualization? It's 7 now.
वंदना जी,
हाँ जी.
अभी मैंने वो जो अपना मैजिक वाला ग्रुप या पर्सनल में आपको एक 2 मिनट्स का अपना जो वुमन के लिए जो इंस्पिरेशनल सॉन्ग डाला है, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो शेयर आप प्ले कर सकते हो तो, अदरवाइज विजुअलाइज कर लेते हैं तो.
इसमें डाला आपने मैजिक मैजिक एवरीवेयर टेलीग्राम में?
इसमें भी डाला है और आपको पर्सनल में व्हाट्सएप पे भी डाला है.
अच्छा, तो इसमें तो आई कांट सी एनीथिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स डू वो अगर आप वो आपको आपने मुझे पर्सनल उसमें भी डाला है
और मैजिक ग्रुप में भी डाला है.
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में है।
टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में है और
Okay.
पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप में भी है आपको।
Okay. So what do you want me to do to play the song?
चलिए अच्छा है सॉन्ग।
Okay. So अगर इसमें तो मुझे डाउनलोड करना भी आएगा नहीं।
ओके तो विजुअलाइज कर लेते हैं। मैंने
हाँ।
वो टेलीग्राम में तो डाल दिया है।
ठीक है। Okay.
ओके
So let's start the visualization.
ओके ग्रेट।
So just let us sit very comfortably. Okay, yes, very excited for the visualization. Lovely, lovely. So let's do it. Make yourself as comfortable as you can. You can be seated on the ground, on the floor, or on the chair, or wherever, however you are. Just loosen your body. अपनी पूरी बॉडी को ढीला छोड़ दीजिए. And focus on your breaths. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take another deep breath in and a deep breath out. And as you breathe in, see if you can hear the sound of your breath, your inhalation and the sound of your exhalations. And let your upper eyelid, आपकी जो upper eyelid है, उसे ऐसा महसूस करना है कि it's become heavier and it's falling on the lower eyelid. And then focus on your breaths. And just feel that gratitude, that sense of thankfulness. And whatever I'm saying, you can just repeat it in your mind mentally. Thank you for this day, this beautiful day. And every day is this day, this beautiful day. It's just that today they say that it's Women's Day. Every day is my day. Every day is Women's Day. Let me celebrate that day every moment, every day. Let me feel proud of myself. Let me start loving myself. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for my legs. Thank you for my arms. Just love your entire body the way it is. Thank you for my fingers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the warmth. Thank you for my healthy body. Thank you for my strong muscles. Thank you for my healthy bones. Thank you for my eyes. Thank you for this healthy digestive system. Thank you for my healthy nervous system. Thank you. Thank you for my clothes. Thank you for the day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the movement. Thank you for the movement of my thoughts, the movement of my actions, the movements in this universe. Thank you for my ability to learn and grow. Thank you for the colors, all the colors that I see. Thank you for my ability to make peace. Thank you for the ability to make peace with everyone, especially my body. Thank you for the music. Thank you for my inner sunshine. Thank you for my ability to trust myself and others. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you for my inner wisdom. Thank you for the dance. Thank you for the vibrant energy. Thank you for all my natural talents. Thank you for all my experiences. Thank you for my healthy boundaries. Thank you for all my blessings. Thank you for my capacity to be loved and love. Love everyone and love myself. Thank you for my unique spark of the divine. Thank you for my connection to all that is. Thank you to the universe. Thank you to the spirit in my body. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the air I breathe. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. And just give a warm hug to yourself. Hug yourself tightly. With your right arm, hold your left shoulder, and with your left arm, hold your right shoulder. Cross your arms and hug yourself tightly. Love yourself tightly. Whether you are a woman and it's so-called Women's Day, or if you are a man and it's the Man's Day too. So just love each one of you. Start loving yourself. Give a tight hug to yourself and smile at your heart. Smile at your entire body. Accept yourself the way you are. Love yourself the way you are. Move yourself the way you want to. And then give a bright golden smile. Smile as widely as you can. With that sense of joy and happiness spreading in every cell of your body. Every cell of your body. Smiling with joy. Jumping with happiness. And then slowly release the hug. And slowly open your eyes with a smile. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you want to share anything, how are you feeling about yourself? If you want to speak, you can unmute yourself and say. Otherwise, you can write it on the chat. How are you feeling?
It's Hina. It's great feeling, great. जब
Yes.
अपने आप को हक किया तो 3 अपने जो क्रिएशन है उसको महसूस किया। एक तो खुद का अपना, जब मेरा बर्थ हुआ तो मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे कैसे गले लगाया था वो मैंने फील किया।
Wow.
और मेरे बेटे और बेटी का बर्थ हुआ तब मैंने उनको जब कैसे गले लगाया था वो मुझे फील हुआ। थैंक यू।
Amazing.
थैंक यू।
Thank you. Thank you for feeling that. Lovely. Yes, anybody else wants to share anything before we end our session today? Okay, so then if everything is understood, and for those of you, again, I'm reminding you, if you haven't completed your dream list and your vision board, please work on it today. Find time for yourself, because, and today is the best day to do it. Just give time to yourself. Give time to yourself so that you can you can be a creator of your own world, and you can contribute to create a new world. You can contribute to create a new world. Yes. So we end our today's session. Thank you for being a part of today's session. Thank you so much.
Thank you.